Aryo Cruz walks through the forest trying to find an orange fruit. Aryo looks around the orange trees, but every branch is empty of oranges. As Aryo continues his journey, he spots a parrot resting on a tree branch. The parrot flies onward, taking Aryo on an exciting forest journey. Aryo finds a tree loaded with oranges after following the parrot into the forest. Suddenly, a magical word, flourish, appears above Aryo. To flourish means to grow into something healthy, strong and thriving. Aryo happily picks a ripe orange and enjoys its fresh scent. Look at all these oranges. What helps a tree grow strong and healthy?
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit VocabCartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.